I'm gonna add titles to a clip. I put the clip into the timeline and I want to have a title in the beginning. For this I use the title menu. It's also basically just to put text in there. I recommend the camera template. We can edit it later. Pick a different font if you want a different font, maybe a different size as well, and change the text. And press save, and there it is. You can just simply drag it into the timeline and play it back. To animate it, just go to View, Views, Advanced View, and then zoom in and decide where should it start. For example, if we want it to move in, and then I'm going to change location Y to a positive number, to 1. And then after 1 second, I'm going to click at 1 second and then change location Y to 0. Just typing that in. And already it's animated. That black flash is very strange. I hope it doesn't actually get rendered. Okay, and at the end we can do something else, like have it, let's scale it. Let's make it get tiny. So we're gonna set scale X to 1 and scale Y to 1. And at the very end, with control arrow keys, I can go to the very end. I'm gonna set it to 0 and to 0. Let's take a look. These black flashes, again, very disconcerting. Well, let's export this. Export video. I'm just gonna call it cake and just use the defaults. Here's the file, let's take a look. Alright, no black flashes. Time for cake, and after 3, 4 should be about now. Okay, 6, 7. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you notice these corners, I believe. Well, let's fix that. Let's go to title, and now we're gonna edit one of these. I'm gonna again use this camera template, and I'm gonna go to advanced editor. And this requires me to have Inkscape installed, which I do have, but it doesn't recognize it, so let's go to preferences. And in general, I have to set where Inkscape is installed. So here it is, so let's select it and close. And again, go to the title editor, pick the camera one, use advanced editor, wait for Inkscape to load. Okay, so here we have a problem that we can't see the background because everything is white. Let's go to document properties, and temporarily we're gonna change the background color over here to black. And I'm just gonna delete these corners because I don't really want them. And that is it. Let's just file, save, quit. And here it is. Changes immediately applied. New lines don't work. Too bad. Well, anyways, we were able to remove the decoration at least, and you already know how to animate this. So I hope this is useful. Let me know in the comments if you have troubles with OpenShot still, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, ciao!